Yo, if you build it, they will come. I don't know how long I thought about doing a YouTube channel or filming, you know, camping trips or overlanding trips or projects, and just never actually pulled the trigger. You know, I would film a bunch of stuff, or I would film parts of it and then not finish it, and never started a channel, never started a channel. I would say roughly 4 months now is when I started to get serious. Actually, it was 5 months ago I did my first live stream, just video gaming. So did some live streams and then posted a couple videos. I would say, yeah, 3-4 months actually been active and trying to do it. But I would say the biggest thing I got stuck on was the paralysis by analysis. You know, I would see other people's channels or videos and everything was perfect, great storytelling, great filming, angles, stuff like that, and I would compare or want to be perfect like that, and so I wouldn't do it. You know, I spent more time watching how-to videos or other people's videos and not doing my own, and then literally just like said screw it and started. Literally, like 20 seconds before I hit record, I got a notification. I just hit 30,000 views on my channel. So in roughly 4 months, I got the 30,000 views. So, you know, that's not a lot. You know, people will get 300,000 views on a video. So, you know, that's nothing. But for someone that's just starting out, you know, that's pretty good, I guess. I mean, to me, I think it's awesome, but you know, you have to start somewhere. So I'm driving in my Jeep, filming on my phone. I have well, I've got an Insta360, 2 GoPros, I've got 2 DSLRs, you know, so I have a bunch of fancy equipment, but all you need is a phone. They've made movies off of cell phones. Some of the top YouTubers and vloggers just use cell phones, so the technology in them now is pretty good. So you don't really need a bunch of fancy stuff. Maybe a GoPro stick, a stand, something to hold your phone. You have an arm, so you can do that, or just prop it on something. But most people have a camera in your phone, so just start filming. Just start talking to the camera. Before I actually did my first video, I would drive in the Jeep and I would just talk to myself, getting used to talking to my cell phone. You know, it's weird, you're talking to nobody, but you're potentially talking to a billion people also. But it feels weird because you're just talking to yourself, looking at the screen, watching myself right now. So, but yeah, get over trying to be perfect. Get over trying to have a perfect story. Get over the ums and ahs and stumbling. I teach for a living and talk in front of crowds professionally, and that took a while to get used to it. I'm pretty good at it. I notice I speak better in class when I'm teaching versus talking to the phone and the camera. I still get nervous or whatever, and just stutter. I know part of it's just my thinking process, and so I will do that, but just start filming, start posting it. The other thing too is be consistent. It doesn't have to be perfect. Start throwing it out there. Even if it's crap, people will watch. The other cool thing is people will watch you get better. Post it, read the comments, see what people are saying. You know, you're fat, you're ugly, lose weight. Sweet. I'll trim my beard and lose some weight, and maybe more people will watch me, but not really. You don't have to do that, but you're doing this for them. You're not doing it for you. In a way you are. I started mine for me. I wanted to learn how to do this. I wanted a project. I thought it would be cool to do. So that's really why I started it. But you have to think of who's going to be watching. If you don't care, you can just do it for anyone and post whatever you want. That's kind of how my channel has been, because I post a bunch of random stuff. I stream and then kind of vlog like this, some build videos. I just do a little bit of everything. So I haven't really honed in a niche. I just wanted to get going. I wanted to start doing something. And yeah, honestly, I waited too long. So get out there, start filming. Doesn't matter what it is, just film something. Start talking to it, post it, and see what happens. People will comment, they'll help you. You know, you can take that good or bad, but I would just say if you build it, they will come. You know, I have roughly 1,600 subscribers, and yeah, I have a little over 30,000 views now. So you know, it keeps going. The other thing, I have stuff with 5 or 6 views, and then I have 1,000 views on another one. So don't worry about that. Don't watch the analytics too hard. What's not, but don't worry about that until you get down the road. A lot of people say you need 100 videos. I have 90, you know, so I'm still a baby, but I'm doing it. So that's it. Be awesome, be blessed, have a great day, and go film yourself. Take care.